Clip a binder clip onto the edge of the window frame. That way a small gap stays open between the frame and the window for fresh air. Don't throw out a broken plastic hanger. Cut off the bottom part as shown in the video. Hang the hanger on a hook and slide a roll of paper towels onto it. What do you do when your hands still smell after handling fish? Rub a little toothpaste on your hands. Rinse the toothpaste off with water. Protect your fingers while you're grating carrots. Stick the carrot onto a regular fork. Hold the fork by the handle and grate the carrot all the way down. If you can't open a can with your hands, grab a regular metal spoon. Gently pry up the tab with the spoon. Use the spoon as a lever. Highlighted the wrong text by accident? Take half a lemon and soak a cotton swab in the juice. Gently wipe over the highlighted text. Once it dries, the mark will be a lot less noticeable. Frayed shoelace won't go through the eyelet? Trim the end of the lace, wrap it with tape, and cut the corner as shown in the video. Cut a short piece off a plastic straw and slide it onto the tip. Heat it up, and the tip will be as good as new. If gum gets stuck in your hair, don't try to yank it out. Pour some cola into a bowl and dip the strand with the gum into it. Work the gum with your fingers and gently slide it off the hair. Don't throw out dented ping-pong balls. Fill a bowl with hot, but not boiling, water and drop the balls in. The heat makes the air inside expand, and the dent pops back out. Cut open a plastic bottle and cut a lone strip out of the side. Make a slit in the cap and thread the strip through to form a handle. And there you have a simple nutcracker made from an ordinary bottle. Fill a few balloons with water. Tie the balloons off and put them in the freezer. Put the frozen balloons in a cooler bag along with your drinks. Now your drinks will stay cold way longer. Stop wasting super glue. Take the needle off a syringe and fit it snugly onto the nozzle of the bottle. Now you can apply the glue in tiny drops and thin lines. If the needle gets clogged, just heat the metal tip with a lighter. Slip a bag over the litter box. Pour in the cat litter. Clean, quick, and easy. Carefully cut out the bottom of an aluminum can. Make a hole in the center and thread a piece of string through it. Pour oil into a glass and set the metal disc on top. Light the wick. The candle is ready. Never coil a rope around your arm like this. If you toss it, for example, it'll just tangle up. The best way to coil a rope is the one shown in the video. To unwind it quickly, just pull the loose end. Grab an empty ballpoint pen refill. It should match the size of the WD-40 straw. Cut the end off the metal tip to open up the channel. Insert the refill into the WD-40. WD-40 is ready to go again, even without the original straw.